Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Find app is installed, you are signed in, and permissions are granted. Once done, open the app and let it index devices and locations. This speeds discovery. Tap Add or Pair to register a device and follow on-screen pairing prompts. Make sure to label items clearly, names matter for quick recall. You keep the flow moving now. These first steps put devices into the Find ecosystem, so searches will return results reliably. Once devices are registered, you can search efficiently. Type a name, tag, or fragment in the search bar and watch suggestions appear. Use filters to narrow by offline, nearby, last seen time, or device type. This reduces clutter. Tap a map pin to get directions or to play a sound. Sound is fast when the device is nearby. Make sure to combine search terms with filters for precision, because targeted queries save time versus scanning everything manually. To finish, set the device state. Mark as lost, enable notify when found, or remove if no longer needed. These actions conclude your workflow. Once done, verify location accuracy and exempt the app from battery optimization so tracking remains reliable. If things fail, restart the app, toggle permissions, and repair the device. These steps often resolve connectivity issues. If a device still won't appear, make sure Bluetooth and location services are active. Those are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.